The Bitcoin Gold fork has come and gone. But what exactly happened? We've talked about in a previous video in depth what the Bitcoin Gold fork was, so I'm not going to get into that deep here. And although, the ideology behind it, I like that, and again, I've talked about that, it's been kind of a mess, and it's really been more of a nuisance than anything. I think it's been met with a lot of skepticism by the insiders in the industry, and a lot of that was because it's been really mismanaged. I think from the beginning, Bitcoin Gold hasn't really had their act together, and we haven't really known what to expect exactly. So a couple examples of this are that the fork was supposed to happen on October 25th, and what the fork means is that they take a snapshot of the blockchain, the Bitcoin blockchain, at October 25th, and then they make a duplicate of that, and then they start running off of that chain. They said it was going to be the 25th, but now Coinbase said it happened on the 21st. Again, who knows, right? In addition, the Bitcoin Gold network isn't even available yet. Some are saying November 1st, some are saying the first part of November. It's still not up. Then, as soon as they're trying to launch it, they get hit by a DDoS attack. And that basically means hackers, right? They spam the servers trying to shut them down. So they haven't been clear on their communication. We don't know what's happening. We don't know when it's going to be up and available. They've been suffering attacks, which have slowed it down. So it's been a little bit more, like I said, of a nuisance than anything. Now, what we want to do is, again, as I warned in the previous video several weeks ago about Bitcoin Gold, is you needed to move your Bitcoin Gold into a private wallet that you control the keys. So that'd be a blockchain wallet, a Jaxx wallet, hopefully a hardware wallet or something like that. It's not on an exchange, not Coinbase, not Gemini, not Bittrex, something like that, right? So hopefully you have it there. And if you do, then just be patient, all right? Just leave it there. We want to be careful not to move our Bitcoins around right now, because what happens is Bitcoin Gold has what they call replay protection. And so since they took a snapshot of the Bitcoin blockchain and they're making a duplicate to work off of, this replay protection prevents duplicate transactions from happening. So while this is all happening and while they're trying to get this Bitcoin Gold network up and running, just don't do any Bitcoin transactions. You don't want to run the risk of losing out on those transactions. So just sit tight on that. The next thing is that we need to wait until we have a wallet to put the Bitcoin Gold or to claim our Bitcoin Gold in. Now, if you get too anxious or antsy, you maybe do a Google search to find a hardware wallet that supports Bitcoin Gold, and there's going to be a lot of scammers out there, okay? We saw this on the Bitcoin Cash fork in August, and it's going to happen here again. So they're going to say, hey, we support Bitcoin Gold, claim it here, just input your private keys and we'll get your Bitcoin Gold. Don't do that, all right? Wait until your wallet, a trusted wallet, comes out that supports that. And we'll be monitoring that, and as soon as we find a good one, we'll let you know. But let's just be patient. Let's not rush in. Bitfinex is showing a price of about $100 on Bitcoin Gold, although I don't trust that price because the price is set depending on trades, right? Buyers and sellers. And since there's no exchanges open for this, there's no exchange going on. So just ignore that price. Let's just be patient. Let's wait for a wallet that we trust to come out. We'll wait till an exchange is supporting it, and then we can decide if we want to keep it or if we want to sell it, all right? So we don't have that information, so we're sitting on that. Now, there's another fork coming, all right? So now there's another fork coming in a couple of weeks. It's the SegWit 2X fork. And I'm not gonna go super deep into that right now. I'm gonna send out another video where I will be explaining that, all right? But I just wanna let you know what to expect over the next couple of weeks. So what we think is gonna happen, just as happened in the previous two forks, is that we believe money will be rushing specifically from the alts into Bitcoin. All right, we'll see Bitcoin continue to increase. The market dominance, that means how much of the market Bitcoin takes up, has gone from about 45% up to 55%. And we could see it hold that and possibly even get bigger. The price might go up as high as 7,500 if you can believe that. We've been reporting on Bitcoin since it was at 1,000. And to see it going up to 7,500 is just absolutely amazing. But we think it can go up even higher than that. But the only thing you need to do is just sit tight. If your Bitcoin's already in a private wallet, you control the keys, just sit tight. Again, don't move your money, especially with the next fork coming. Pay attention, we'll do another video that goes deep into that. But that's what we have on Bitcoin Gold as of today, and we'll keep you posted when we have more.